Are you looking for unique summer nail art designs? Then this video is specially for you. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video there are unique nail art designs ideas that you can try easily at your home. Summer is all about pastel flowers and dotting patterns. You can create these nail art designs with no tools. You can use any toothpick or any nail brush easily. Try out these nail art designs for this summer season. You can wear it on your daily routine or any party or occasion. Swill nail art designs, butterflies with peach and orange blues are very trendy colors. Blue and peach nail art is very unique and vibrant and subtle colors to wear in summer season. You can create rainbow patterns on your nails and flowers and petals on your nails. Swill nail is one of the most trendiest nail art design in 2023. I hope you like these nail art designs ideas. If you like these ideas, tell me in the comment section. If you want to see any other nail art designs ideas, then see my other videos. Stay tuned. Thank you.